Hi, my name is Hannah and I'm from the Wizy Customer Success Team. Welcome to The Shed, a place where we gather and shed light about tech topics that you might need clarity on. I guess we all notice the influx of content online. From photos, graphics, videos, it's a jungle out there. It's easy to find yourself in a situation where brand images are scattered across offline and online devices, limited access to assets by on-premise technology, and wading through your growing collection of digital assets, which takes a lot of time and effort. Let's consider NGOX. The name's made up, but they have a very relatable use case. They fulfill and help the government track humanitarian aid programs. They have satellite offices across Southeast Asia. They regularly prepare position papers and reports to be shared with news agencies and government bodies. And as a growing team, they're looking for solutions to move operations into the cloud and better align communication across geographically separated offices. I want to share how NGOX can maximize using the cloud by utilizing Wizy's Digital Asset Center. Join me as I highlight ways on how their team can organize, secure, and unleash the power of their digital assets. Wizy's Digital Asset Center, or DAC, is the heart of the Wizy suite that centralizes digital assets in a smart hub. Deploying a digital asset management is no easy task. With Wizy's DAC, we solve the pain of a digital asset management through a simple and ready-to-use interface. You also get access to advanced tagging, text and object recognition, superior user navigation experience, and lightning-fast search for a wide range of digital asset types. Wizy's DAC is the perfect solution for NGOX's use case. Here are the ways how. With a few clicks, the NGOX admin was able to organize photos, videos, and other essential files from all satellite offices. The physical separation of NGOX's satellite offices are lifted with teams gaining 24/7 access to digital assets. With GCP, they also enjoy the benefits of a robust and secure storage system. Wizy's DAC helped the various satellite offices create consistent and unified position papers. Collaboration has never been easier. With the admin in full control, it's easy to set view and edit admin permissions to digital assets. This is extremely helpful when NGOX needs to share access to news media and government bodies. If you're a team scaling up to move your processes into the cloud, reach us to us using this link or from the link found from the description box below to schedule for a product demo or to simply clarify some points that may not have been covered in this video. Thank you, and I'll see you again on another episode of The Shed.